Hey guys, Steve from Resell Dojo back, and today I'm just doing a quick, little vlog type deal. I've been thinking more and more just about my business and what I need to do to help it expand. And part of it is I need to start thinking both short term and long term about how I want my business to be. And a lot of it is just like jumped into my head more this past week, last few days, as I've been really set in a pattern for probably about 2 or 3 months of these are the days I go thrifting. These are the days that I stay home, maybe make videos. I do these at this time, this set time of day, and it's been working out, but I've been noticing my death pile's been getting bigger. Just recently, my thrift stores just changed when they put out items, and now that's throwing me for a loop because now even like the planning within a day versus planning within a week versus a month versus a quarter is even being thrown around a bit. And so now I'm having to think through new logistics of how my days are going. And so I'm really need to take probably the next couple days, and I suggest probably a lot of us in this business needed the same thing, just to recoup, recover, and just like gather my thoughts of how I want to attack my business just in the short term, and figure out how do I go about just even my day, let alone my week. And part of that too is myself thinking what my long-term goals are. And that's something in like the next probably 2 weeks. I want to have my 2021 plan in place. I want to set goals for myself for the entire year, and then even give myself like quarterly goals, just to give myself a target. I know it worked really well for me when I used to be in the corporate world, and even when I was working just even retail, to have targets to work towards. I really liked having annual reviews, and for this, since I'm a solo entrepreneur in my business, I don't have anyone else working with me. I need to put that onus on myself and set time to the side of, okay, here's when I'm doing business goal setting, and then I need to be like, hey, this day of this month I'm going in there and I'm reviewing those goals and how I'm tracking towards that, and hold myself accountable towards that as well, because that's really the only way that you grow not only your business but yourself, is by setting targets and holding yourself accountable to it. There's so many excuses out there. Like right now, my new excuse is, oh no, they changed when they're putting out inventory. But if I just take a step back, I could easily solve that by going, okay, I'm going to reshuffle my day. I'm going to be going on these 3 or 4 days a week, between these couple of hours. And now I'm shifting whatever I was doing at that time to the afternoon or whatever it is. But so for something that trivial, for myself to just get kind of hung up in my mind about it, it just reminds me that I need to take a step back and be like, okay, what does that really mean? How does it impact my business? How does it impact my day to day? And what am I going to do to attack it? And a lot of times you just need to almost just take a breather and go and just gather your thoughts on it. Maybe talk to someone else about it, your significant other or friend or parent or sibling or whoever, and just be like, hey, you know what? I got this problem going on, and hey, give me your 2 cents on what you think I should do. Granted, this one was super easy that I should just solve myself if I just even take maybe 30 minutes each day to center myself on what is my biggest barriers in my business for that day and that week, and then also what are the opportunities in that day and that week that I should be attacking as well. So I don't know, this is just kind of a stream of consciousness conversation I'm having with you and with myself at the same time right now, just as I'm working my way through it. But I just always need to remember for myself to take time to center myself on what do I need to do in that short term. And then I just need to have targets and goals. I've been chasing certain numbers out there of getting inventory up, just even keeping a certain weekly sales number. But I really need to set myself some stretch goals that will help me break through this consistent number that I'm at right now. And part of that is it's not just sourcing for myself, and that's what I kind of get held up on is, hey, I just need to go source. I need to go find the next big item to help me get up there. But I need to sacrifice a little bit of my sourcing, and sacrifice a little bit of time that I have going into other stuff to sit back and go, okay, what is going to get me over that hump and get me to the number that I really want to get to. So that's what I think is going to be more of my 2021 plan. Like 2020 for the rest of the quarter, I'm looking at how I'm going to close out the year strong. How am I get as much inventory listed, find good inventory to list during this time, and then just how am I going to just finish the year off strong, right? Because when it comes to 2020, I just want to finish with a strong number right now and see what it turns out to be. I already know I'm having a way better year than I had in 2021, but I want to finish off really strong and set that momentum for 2021 for when I get my goals, because I want to set some big goals this year, because I know I've been doing strong on eBay, and I know I need to jump into Amazon. It's like the one thing I just keep pushing off is Amazon, and I really need to take time to learn it the right way. I need to just be like, hey, you're doing an FBA order this week. Whatever you do, the only thing you could do is find inventory that you have sitting in your closet that's on eBay, and find what's going to be really profitable for FBA and just do it. I just need to set like that type of checklist for myself and be like, hey, these are the 5 big things that you need to do in 2021, and you're going to go and attack it. And really, until I do that for the next month and a half for 2020 and set those goals, the 2021 is secondary to it. So I don't know, this may just sound like a bunch of rambling. For myself, it's actually helping me work myself through this little hang up that I had right now when it comes to all this. But thank you for listening. I hope it helps you guys as well as you guys work through goals and targets and all that type of stuff for yourself. But once I do set some goals, I am planning on filming it as well. Like, hey, this is what my targets are for this year. And I want to share that with everyone as well, just to have some accountability to myself. Like, hey, I put this out there, and I have this documented, and I'm going to be hitting it. And I really suggest everyone else do the same thing. That's the great thing about this community and social media and YouTube, and that you can put something out there, and it's there unless you delete it. But someone saw it, and so, hopefully you work with someone else and hold that accountability for where you're looking to go, and you hold them to that accountability as well. So thank you guys for listening to this little ramble and rant. This actually really helped me, and if it helped you guys, I'd appreciate any type of thumbs up or comment, or if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because I love having new people here, new people following me, and just being part of the journey. And it's not only my journey, it's your guys' journey as well. So Feel free to reach out to me if you guys want to. If you guys want to we can hold each other accountable. That's awesome. And in the meantime, I'll check in with you guys later, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.